Okay, here we have Bennett. He is 7 years old. He's getting ready to pull his tooth. He has a string attached to his remote control car, and it looks like he's ready. So I'm going to give him the countdown here, and we're going to go and see how this works. Ready, set, go! All right, here we are with attempt number 3, and Joshua trying to get to the car. Joshua's delaying progress here. We've got a little shorter. We've got a little shorter string. Ready, set, go. No, do you still have the tooth? Still there?
Still there.
All right, attempt number 4. Ready, set, go.
It came out.
It came out?
It came out. Came out.
It came out?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay, go ahead.
I don't see the... Oh, I see
Oh, there's the tooth. It's attached. He got it. And there's the tooth connected still to the piece of string.
It's hard to see that, but...